Hello everyone and welcome back to Chess vs Beginner series lesson number 3. Now that we have covered the basics of chess and the geometry of the chessboard, today we will take a closer look at the chess pieces and their positions on the board. In chess, the pieces are the game elements that players move across the board. There are 6 different types of pieces, each with its own unique movements and abilities. At start of the game, each side has 16 pieces, 8 pawns, 2 bishops, 2 knights, 2 rooks, 1 queen, and 1 king. The pawn are the most numerous pieces on the board, with each side starting with 8. White's pawn begin on the second rank, while blacks are located on the 7th rank. Each side starts with 2 bishops, with one on a light square and one on a dark square. At the beginning of the game, white's bishops are located on c1 and f1, while black's bishops are located on c8 and f8. The knights are unique in that they move in an L-shaped pattern. Each side starts with two knights, a king's knight and a queen's knight. At the beginning of the game, white's knights are located on b1 and g1, while black's knights are located on b8 and g8. The rooks are heavy pieces that move in the straight lines. Each side starts with the two rooks, with one on the king side and one on the queen side. All four rooks starts in the corners of the board, with the white's rooks on a a1 square and h1 square respectively, and black's rooks on a8 and h8. The queen is the most powerful piece on the board, and each side starts with 1. The white queen starts on d1, while the black queen is located on d8. Last but not least, we have our king. The king is the most important piece on the board, and the ultimate goal of the game is to checkmate the opponent's king. Each side starts with one king, with the white's king starting on e1 square and black's king starting on e8 square. And that concludes our lesson on the chess pieces and their positions on the board. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please help spread the word about our beginner series on chess by letting your friends and family know. Whether they are new to the game or looking to improve their skills, our series offers a comprehensive and easy to follow guide to chess. And thank you for your support. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this in the future, and your support means a lot to me and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.